Small businesses often find themselves tangled in the web of manual maintenance management. This leads to inefficiencies and unexpected expenses, creating a cycle of frustration and financial strain. Without a structured system, these businesses struggle to keep up with maintenance demands. But there's a solution that can transform this chaos into order: the CMMS. CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, is a centralized tool that streamlines maintenance activities. It manages everything from work orders to inventory tracking, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Key functions of CMMS include work order management, preventive maintenance scheduling, and asset management. It's a comprehensive solution for businesses seeking efficiency. CMMS automates routine tasks, saving time and resources for small businesses. It tracks asset performance, allowing teams to act proactively and avoid costly repairs. Detailed reporting provided by CMMS aids in data-driven decision-making. This empowers managers to optimize operations and allocate resources effectively. CMMS software sends automated reminders for inspections and servicing, ensuring nothing is overlooked. It tracks maintenance history to identify recurring issues, reducing downtime. By addressing minor problems early, businesses can prevent major disruptions. This proactive approach enhances productivity and extends the lifespan of assets. When selecting a CMMS, consider ease of use and mobile access for field technicians. Scalability is crucial to accommodate growing business needs. Analytics and reporting features provide insights into performance and costs, helping businesses make informed decisions. Choose a CMMS that aligns with your operational goals. ManWinWin offers an intuitive design that's easy to use. Its comprehensive features cover all aspects of maintenance, making it a trusted choice globally. With customizable options for local needs, ManWinWin adapts to any business environment. Choose ManWinWin for a seamless maintenance management experience.